Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. So now we are able to successfully fetch the questions and we are showing the questions count here, and also we have created the button. So if I click on this button, so I need to start showing the questions here. So how can I, when I click on this one, so what I need to do, I need to change the status of this one to ready to active. Okay, so loading is finished, ready is finished, and error is finished. Now it is active. Active means the quiz is active, so it is running now. So when he clicks on the start, I need to change the dispatch the status to active. So here the button is present in somewhere in the start screen, right? If you try to see here, this is the button. So how can I dispatch the action here? So for this one, what we need to do is we need to send this dispatch method. Where is this dispatch thing? Yeah, here as a props to this one. So here I can send as a dispatch is equal to dispatch. I can send the dispatch here. So we are trying to send the dispatch. Okay, let's go and add it here as a dispatch here. So I've added this one as a dispatch, and now on click. Okay, when I click on this one, so here we will be dispatching this one. The type is start. So we are trying to start. So now we go here in our dispatch thing, and here dispatch cannot read property of status. What is the status and all those things? Okay, let's try to see. Here the dispatch is there, and if you go here in this one, so this is our place where we need to show the dispatch. So case start. So when this one is there, I need to return the state and I need to change the status to active. That's it. So we have made the change for this one. So now when this is there, so what is happening in this one? Inspector, go to the inspect element and go to the console. So let's try to see what is the console error. We are able to get it. What is this one we are getting? Class name. So where this one is added in the loader. In the loader it is class name. Okay. So one error we have fixed it. Let's try to refresh this page. Cannot update a component app while referring to a start screen. To locate the bad set state, call inside a start screen. So something we have did it wrong, I think. Let's try to check it again. So what is that we are trying to do? So start screen, questions count, and we are trying to send the dispatch. So here where is the start screen, and here we are calling the dispatch. Okay, that too we need to call it like this. So that is a problem. So fine, hopefully everything is working fine. So we got the questions here, and if I click on this start, so now the status has been changed to ready. Now when active. So now when this active, we need to start showing the questions here. So now when the status is equal to active, I need to start showing the questions. So here I will create a new component, that is question. Single question I need to show. So here let's create a component question.js, and here I will do export default function question. Okay, and here we need to send the question. So return div question. So we need to show the first question. Let's go to the app.js, and here the question we need to show it. Yeah, simple. So let's start. So we are showing the question. So let's start showing the question. So we need to show the first question. So what we will try to do is, so here we will add a index. So which question we need to show? Index as 0. So that means first question we need to show, as this questions is an array. Now here I will sending the index thing. So here question is equal to, I will send it as questions of index. I will try to send the index here. So we got the question. So here let's catch the question. So index is not defined. Why? Because we are destructuring the data. So here we will try to take the index. Now we got the question, and let's console the question here. Console.log question. So I will try to check this question, so whether we are able to see it or not. Let's console it, and here I am refreshing this page. Let's start. So we are able to get the question here. So I need to show this question. Okay, let's go here, and I will do h2. So here I will show question. So I have shown the question. So now what is the largest planet in our solar system? So we know we are trying to show. So these are the options which we need to show. So here I will create a new component, that is options as a component, and I will send the options for this one as question dot options. I will try to send these all options. So now let's create a new component, that is options options.js. Now here this is the options we are having it, right? Now what I will try to do, we are having these options. So export default function options. So here you will be getting all the options as a props. So let's try to take the options, and here this is written div options. So we are having the options, that's it. So now let's go to the question. Here let's import these options, that's it. So now we got the options here. Let's close this one. So I need to show all the options in this one. So okay, so here I will do options dot map of option. I will take the single option, and here I will do a div, or otherwise I will do a div. Inside this div I will have a button. Okay, inside this button I will show the option, that's it. So now if I try to show the option, here we are having able to see, and class name is equal to, I will show the button hyphen option, we will have like this. So now this btn hyphen option, we will try to design some CSS for this one. Let's open this app.css file, and here I will be having this button hyphen option. So we can take a width of 100%, and I can apply a background color of something around anything whichever is like this I will apply. So we are able to see it, and here I will apply a margin top of 10 pixel so that a gap will be there, yes. And I will apply font weight of bold, okay, and we are able to see it. Text align, or we will keep it like this only, center. And when we hover is, so btn hyphen option hover. So when we hover this one, so I want to change the background color to something around aquamarine or anything, we'll try to change. So like this we have did it. So now the options also we are trying to show, and the question also we are trying to show. So everything is working fine accordingly, and this one is also working. Let's see the console if there is any errors or anything. So if I try to see the error, so we are having a warning. Okay, you should have a unique key. Okay, so where is this options? This is the loop we are having it, right? So we can have a key. That option itself is a key, because it's having a single only, right? So let's try to see the output. Yes, and let's click on the start. So we are not having any error. So now we are able to show this one. So now we are able to show the questions. So the singular particular question also we are able to show it. So now in the next video we will try to see how we can handle the answers for this one. So what I will do is I will commit this code in a new branch, that is video-89. So whoever wants to refer the code, so they can go to my GitHub repository URL. The link is provided in the description below, so they can get it for the changes. They can go to a particular branch and they can refer the code. And here questions display. Okay, so what is this? Don't go totally wrong, the spelling. Questions displaying. Okay, so I will commit this code. So that's it guys about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.